Alright, what's up guys? In today's video, it's kind of special because I want to show you guys the big places, like big mansions, but also I want to show you the little places that kind of get overlooked because there's probably not a whole lot in it, or there's the house is falling down, or there's just not really much going on. But in this video, the house that you're gonna see is definitely old. I don't know the date of it, but I do know it was not built to have heating and air because there's no ductwork for anything really. So it's definitely before heating and air, especially because some of the relics I've seen in the house where you have a laser beam on your chin.
Also, there was like the pull light in the attic.
Oh yeah.
Which they don't really do anymore.
Yeah. There was
it's like a pull string.
What was I gonna say? But yeah, like she said, there are pull strings for individual like light bulbs, so that lets you know that they didn't have very abundance of bulbs in the house. They also had a flue pipe for maybe a wood stove in this house, but that's enough speaking. I'll let you guys check out the video and we'll get into it. Just make your way through this.
This is awesome.
Dang, hurry up. Hey, there's another car.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I got a thorn in my knee.
You got a thorn in your knee? Alright, that car went that way, so let's go.
This is creepy.
My lovely friend, the dog. It's biking. What the frick?
Somebody can take a dump and look at the scenery at the same time. Oh man, this floor is very... We picked the houses with the best floors.
I know.
You just have to click the triangle. There it is.
This house is old.
How do you start this?
Hit that top button. You just hold it down. Or not hold it, but press it. Seriously?
Yeah, that door.
That must have been a pantry for the foods.
It's a nice house.
This
The ceiling is annoying.
is the door.
Dude, this thing is falling
And they have a
apart.
stand-up shower. That's nice. Well, it's tiny as a water heater though.
This thing is ancient.
The flashlight's going crazy. This is the bathroom area. One of them, maybe the only one.
Light switch like this.
This thing is ancient.
Oh my god, somebody living here. One of them.
Who has a light switch like this?
You don't know?
It's got a fish weight.
You upstairs?
No, I just looked. Oh, we got a TV in here.
We don't know.
It's got a fish weight.
Here's the upstairs. Hey, have you seen the upstairs?
No, I just looked. Oh, they got a TV in here.
Is it still recording? What's what? I said listen. Dude, look at this TV.
Hang on, I'm gonna go check this out. This is this little doorway behind the steps leading up into the attic. Alright guys, I don't know if this flashlight's making my footage look flickery or not because it's very bright. I bought a new
I think the person who lived here was Jake.
some updates. I have a new flashlight for you guys so that way you guys can have a better view of what I'm viewing, because I know some of my videos are dark. So if you can see better, let me know down in the comments.
Oh, she's going up.
I panicked with my flashlight. I was like, I shoved it up against my chest.
This creepy ass set of stairs. Holy shit. Oh. What is this? The floor is gonna collapse.
Yeah. Look at this little attic. This flashlight is awesome.
Yeah, yours is a little bit brighter than mine.
We got a little bit of a squatter here, guys. As we noticed with the toilet chair.
I love how you just walk on this unstable floor.
Well, I want to know what this man was drinking.
It's like always like that.
Sorry, fella. It doesn't look like somebody's been in here for a long time.
Yeah. They have all these weird like little pulleys for the lights.
This upstairs is wild. They have like one side painted and one side not.
Really even need light right now. Except in those rooms there.
Yeah, there's a building back here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's unlocked, I think.
Fucking creepy.
There's the building. There's one more building here that's kind of broke down. And one to the left that you guys probably can't see.
Oh my god. Get off of me. Get off of me.
Oh shit, that's too funny.
That box just broke underneath my feet. I just pulled a thorn out of my freaking.
So I get this out. What the f?
I got it. You just
Bro, get off me.
Here's the underneath the house, guys. Oh, sorry. This is underneath. A lot of old bottles underneath here. A lot of old bottles. What kind of drink is this? Oh. That's fantastic. I was like, what kind of drink is this? It's roach and bug killer.
Oh.
Here's another crawl space. There's a flue pipe for there may have been a chimney in the kitchen.
Or a wooden stove.
Yeah, or a wooden stove, not a chimney. Oh, my bad. That must have been a wood stove. There's another. This is underneath that bathroom that you guys seen inside the house. There's a weird little hole here.
Yeah.
Almost looked like it used to be a well. It's inside this building. It's super cool. This building is really neat. I like how the vines are growing in through it. I'm gonna go over here to this building, show you guys. Wow. These buildings are kind of cool. The mattress has seen better days though. Is this broke down building?
It had a lot though.
It had a lot?
It had a lot.
Yeah.
If we're gonna go out, we might as well go that way this way.
Alright, that's it for today's videos, guys. If you like it, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any suggestions of things you didn't like about the video, just comment down below. Help me improve my channel and things like that. I hope you liked this video. It was especially a unique kind of home. There was a lot of crazy things inside of it, and I'm gonna throw a little clip inside the video somewhere. Of the upcoming video, because that one is very cool and very unique. Can't find any information on that on the place, but I'll let you guys see it for yourself and be waiting for the video because it's definitely gonna be nice. And that's it for today's video, guys. Leave a like, subscribe as always, please, it helps out.
Hit that bell.
Hit that bell like she said. But that's it, until next video, guys.